The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is launching next month, and so far, almost everything about the phone upgrades has been leaked. Today we have two great leaks about the camera of the upcoming S24 Ultra. The first one is about the camera details, and the second one is about the camera zoom capability, according to tipster Revegnus. The rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's cameras seem settled, so now people are talking about what's next. Between now and 2026, Samsung will upgrade the ultra-wide and telephoto cameras of its Ultra models. According to their roadmap, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will switch to a 50-megapixel sensor with 0.7 micrometers for its periscope camera. The current S23 has a 10-megapixel with 1.12 micrometer pixels. The 2024 model will give the user a choice between larger pixels with binning or more zoom without. Samsung has already hinted that it is working on high-resolution sensors for telecameras. The most exciting part is the periscope camera. It is supposed to gain a variable focal length, which is something that only Sony offers right now. This will allow the camera to hold off on leveraging in-sensor zoom until it reaches the end of its optical zoom, which will improve the quality of zoom shots. The sensor in the main camera will finally be upgraded with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It will grow from the current 1 by 1.3 micrometer and 0.6 micrometer to 1.1 micrometer and 0.7 micrometer. The resolution will stay at 200 megapixel. The main camera is to stay as it is right now. A year later, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be a major upgrade, perhaps the biggest of the three. The main lens will get a new lens, and the ultra-wide module will be upgraded to a 50-megapixel sensor, up from 12 megapixel on the S23 and S24 Ultras. Now, a tipster on X, formerly known as Twitter, uploaded a video in which he said that the video is shot from S24 Ultra. The video was posted on TikTok, and the user claimed that it was shot from S24 Ultra. What do you think about this video? Comment your thoughts. There's also talk about new cameras in the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, but they might not change as much as the Ultra. All this is expected in about a year, but first, the S24 series is coming out around mid-January. Join the conversation in the comments below. Also, subscribe for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.